Hmm. Um. Let's ask the leader that if we need more new birds. Leader. Yes. Do we need more birds now? After 1 month, new bird. We need a new bird after 1 month. Okay? But every bird go inside. Yeah, because of the thunderstorm. Yep. I'm going in. I'm in here. Me too. Where? And I'm already inside. Me too. Me too. Phew. Phew. I just closed my door. I'm going in. Woo! I don't want to get a cold. Me too. So I'm going in. We three are going in too. Yep. I'm going. Me too. Oh wait, the injured elder brother of Orange and Blue Jay is already in. We can see them, right? Right there. Now let me go in. Before the thunderstorms arrive. Yup. Where? Oh my god, why am I out of my house? Wait, let me go in. Phew. I'm already in. Mother, where's your egg? It's in the incubator. Oh. Let's go in, kids. I'm following you. As well. I'm following you, kids. And we are already inside. Just have to go a little more. Yep, I'm coming. My turn. Whoop. My turn. My turn. My turn. Woo. Is everybody ready? Yes. Okay. Here comes the thunderstorm. Oh wait. The wind of the thunderstorm just blowed the car to me. Push it and make it come in the center again. Okay? As you say, leader. That's perfect. Okay, so here comes the thunderstorm in 3, 2. Oh, that was more early. It's thunderstorming. I'm inside already. Whoa. Whoa. It's a big one. That's a big one. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Today the news said the thunderstorm will be short time and the rain will also be short time and the birds chirping will be for the full day. I don't know why the thunderstorm is slow today, but it's perfect because now we have time to go outside. Yup. Let me go in again. Nice cozy house I have. Yeah, we all have. Yup. We all have. Oh wait, I forgot. Who is ready for quiz time? Me. first. Me first. Okay. Let me tell the question. Yay! Why do animals move from place to place? Why do plants not move place to place? Yes, yellow parrot? Plants make their own food, so they don't need to move to place. Animals don't make their own food, so they have to move place to place. Well done. Clap. Thank you. Well, eat one question each day in the thunderstorms. Okay. Told you guys it will be quick for the thunderstorm to come, and I told you it will be fun. And now 2 minutes are left. Then the thunderstorm will be over. Then the rain will come. Then the bird chirping will come. The final stage of the thunderstorm. Then we will go enjoy. You said it, buddy. Yep. Yeah, that's the spirit of birds. They only come in rain and go into their houses when it's thunderstorm. Yep, when it's only thunderstorm, then the birds go in their houses. Yep, you're correct, Swan. Thank you. Yeah, we know all about birds because we are birds. When will it stop? Yeah. Wow. I'm watching through the door because I don't have any windows. I wish I had one. Yep, I have a window. One here, and the door. See, told you, some people are having all the night. Yep, you're such one lucky toucan. Yep. Ooh, the thunderstorm is almost going to finish in 1, 2, and yeah! Now we can come out. Nothing like a cool, refreshing rain without thunderstorms. The thunder is not coming, the sound of thunder is not coming. That means the thunderstorm is gone. The rain sound is coming, that means the birds come out. And the chirping means the birds came out. And the rain means it's getting slowly. Yup, you said it, toucan. I was only going to say that. Well, I said it instead of you. Yeah. Let me come. Ooh, and me too. Let me come here. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, now we are out. Let me come. Well, I'm out. Me too. Time to go out, my baby peacock. And time to practice. Okay. Let me come out first. I think you're very excited for the teaching, right? Yep, you said it. Okay, let's start. First, do like this. do like this. Then lift up your tail gently in there. And then shake, 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 shake. Great, now let's copy that. Yes. Okay, let me come out. There are the peacocks practicing. Oh, that's my phone. Let me come. Boing. Ow. There we go. Ow. It's been 3 days since it's been thunderstorms. Ow. Not again. There we go. Now I got my balance in the perfect position. I'm not falling now. Na 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 na. Can we come out now, mother? Yes. Yeah, we can come out, my little darlings. Come. Okay, I'm coming. Thank you. What are you doing? Oh, sorry. My turn. It's been 2 minutes. Now 3 more minutes to go for the rain, and then the birds will chirp, and then the video will end. Simple. Hey, penguin family is still in there. Penguin family, come out. Ow. Yeah, as I was saying, come out. Oh, puddle. Yep. Oh, not again. I'm coming. Oh. Ow. Oh no. Ow. Yay, yay, yay. Oh, here it comes again. Like yesterday. Every day is the same. Exact same. Yep, exact same. Answer. Anyways, I'm just going to chilling out. Oh, there's a rainbow. Whoa, that's so awesome. I'm definitely going to take a closer look. Rainbow is my all-time favorite. Yay! I'm finally going to see a rainbow up close. Yay! Oh, now only our kids are saying yay. Yeah, only our kids are saying yay. Oh, the kids are today also lucky. They got 2 of the birds already, like in just seconds. Oh no. Yay. Oh no. I'm babyified. It's only 2 more minutes are left. Well, we have a lot of time. Yay. Yeah, woohoo, look at the rainbow. Yep, I already saw that. I'm going for a hike. Okay, great luck. Don't fall into the mud. I'm never going to fall in. Oh no. Yay. Haha, your baby a fight. How funny is that? Huh? Not funny. Oh yeah? Yay, 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 yay. Now you know not to tease anyone? Yeah. Yay, yay, yay. I am coming. I'm already out. Let's go. Let's go. There's only one more minute left. Ooh. Ninja move. Booyah! Well, he's doing his ninja move thing again. And there's the other, our neighbor. He's captured, so he will not move him. Anyways, there's the penguin family's house right up ahead of my house, and I'm here. Ow, my tail. And here's Baldy's house. I'm coming. Are you coming? If you're coming, so please come fast. I'm already come fast. Oh. Okay. I'm just going to go somewhere else. Of course, by flying, because birds fly every time. They fly. But some birds like ostriches cannot fly. They just jump very high. Yep. And penguins also don't fly. Anyways, let's go. Oh, the birds took a break again. Oh, they took a break. Well, let's wait for them to chirp again. Oh, there they go. Oh wait, I forgot. Almost it's time for the birds chirping without any water things coming out of the cloud. Yep, it's almost time for that. Well, the final stage of the thunderstorm is here. Yep. Okay. Every day we will say this is the thunderstorm. So, 3 months there is thunderstorms in the bird city. So the first stage of the thunderstorm is the thunderstorm, of course, with the rain mixed together, and the second stage of the thunderstorm, it's rain with birds chirping. That's when all the birds get out of the house, and in the first stage of the thunderstorm, they just go into their houses. And the final stage, the third stage that is going on now, is the birds are chirping without any drops coming from the sky. Well, we will meet you tomorrow in the thunderstorms. We will meet you in tomorrow's thunderstorms. I'm sure it will be fun. I am not lying, but it will be fun. And I'm sure it will be quick. Don't worry about that. It will be quick. Well, I am going out of here. I'm soaring to the skies. See ya, bird lovers. Bye. Whee! Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more.